be like
Now Igbo people fool everywhere.
Like,
I didn't just turn camera show you say
everywhere.
on the
Everywhere.
Igbo. Juru ebe niile. So now here where Igbo people base the hustle.
So one of onye outside that we can
Outside of Nakoya, but mostly Igbo people fool this market.
imagine.
Me, they bought me for this Togo shirt.
Main market on sir. Now the vibe at the gate here. You just feel like I did inside main market.
Okay, now when you go Igbo, anyway, son.
A year, we can brew over 30, 40 containers. It's paid by container. Like each container we spend like 1,500,000, 1.6 to work it. Sometimes when they open the original, it's not money you are paying them, it's what they are looking. Sometimes they will get like gold. Due to this thing is some of them is from house. It's like you use them, you forget it. Some they will get money, some they will get gold. Sometimes somebody gets like somebody get gold, he sell it like 2 million. He went to Nigeria and changed the money.
Become a rich man.
So sometimes there is not only the money they are paying them. The other day I call somebody, you get like about €100. You are paying the person maybe 5,000, but you get €100. €100, if you change, you know how much it is. Sometimes you come here, you see like 200 people, they are looking for job. You select maybe 100. Clothing is like magnets. It's like honey. We travel all over the world. I went to Australia, I went anywhere in the world to look for this. Sometimes I go inside bush. So what of Nigeria? This is shoes. It came out from that original. And this one is the cuts we are using. This is original. It came this way.
This is how it came from
Europe.
Europe.
Yeah.
And after,
Oh.
that means you do the all around.
No, we are working. We finish that one. We enter another one. If we finish, we enter another one. Like this thing, I buy this one. It's shop return.
Okay, can you tell me about shop return?
They haven't used it. This is
This is like new.
new one. Yes. It says workwear.
Okay.
If you are working heavy duty.
Okay. Okay. For companies.
Yes.
Okay. So, but why did you choose to buy it a new one?
It's cheap. I'm selling it one, not belling.
Okay.
It's cheap. It's like your customers. You sell it for them that way. You see, this one is both plastic, toy, everything is inside. Handbag, belt, everything is inside. Yes. 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 Like this one is the white we cut.
Okay, this one is the one that is being exported.
Yes, the one. We didn't. This one we do it 80 kilo.
Or the same thing,
Yeah.
Okay.
I know 80 kilo.
Are they measure 55?
Mba nke a na Europe. Nke anyị na-ere about 55.
Okay. So does this machine work?
Yeah. It's working.
Wow. So I'm happy to see this. Yeah.
It's working, but I'm not the one operating it.
Okay.
They are the one.
Okay. Wow. This is what our people do here in Togo. They are creating one and giving job to the people. For the reason.
Yeah.
What they do in Nigeria, they even come to Togo and even do more. That is why Igbo are special.
Here if we want to start work, we take like 100 people. After that day, maybe it will reduce to 50. After that day, it will reduce.
Always like.
Yeah, we have like 6 containers. We have some. It's just we are looking for money.
But even just sir, so in a year,
yeah,
how many containers can you keep?
We can bring sometimes A year, we can bring over 30, 40 containers.
in a year?
30, 40.
Wow, that is massive. So, like in a year, how much do you spend in paying your workers?
Pay my workers. So it's paid by container.
Okay.
Like each container we spend like 1,500,000, 1.6
Okay.
to work it. So if you calculate it to for 12 container or 40 container in a year, 50. Sometimes work 50 in a year, depending
Yeah.
how markets move. So it depends on how market move.
Okay.
So the workers is like they mix Igbo pepper,
Yeah. So
Togo
depends.
pepper, any pepper, you mix.
Yeah. So in Imana, you guys are creating. You guys are giving like helping the the economy of this Togolese.
Actually, we're helping the economy
Because
big time.
in my ego, like you guys use a lot of money. You pay workers like other easy. You give them money, they use it to also buy stuff, pay their rent, buy lights, and the money keeps circulating.
Sometimes you come here, you see like 200 people, they are looking for job.
Wow.
You select maybe 100. Maybe you take 100 people, maybe sometimes to remain 100. Sometimes when they open the original, it's not money you are paying them, it's what they are looking. Sometimes they will get like gold. Due to this thing is some of them is from house.
Okay.
It's like you use 10, you forget it.
Okay.
Some they will get money, some they will get gold. Sometimes somebody
Always.
get like somebody get gold, he sell it like 2 million. He went to Nigeria and changed the money.
Become a rich man. This is
So
massive, man.
sometimes there is not only the money they are paying them. The other day I call somebody, you get like about €100. You are paying the person maybe 5,000, but you get €100. €100, if you change, you know how much it is.
Yeah.
So
Wow.
it's so many things. It's like just government are not helping us. We are on our own. Even security is on our own.
Just imagine this Togo, like Togo as a country without Nigeria. This is just one sector alone. You never talk about other sectors.
These people who have this factor, we have more than 40. We have more than 40
Different places, and
places.
people are working there.
People are working there.
So that will show you the power of
So you have to be like, here is their toilet.
Okay.
Like this one is for men.
Okay. This is for men.
Yeah.
Men's toilet.
You have to make it neat for them. Like this one is for men.
Okay. Urinary place.
Yeah. This one is for women.
Neat and conducive.
Yeah. So you have everything here, borehole, everything. So
That is why anywhere in this world they appreciate us. We are special people. Even in Nigeria today, Nigeria cannot do without us in the Igbo
actually,
because we are doing massive things in terms of job creation, helping the economy. We are doing
it's
so much.
still without even we are looking forward, like our governor,
Yeah,
excellent governor, Oti,
yeah.
to at least to call us, we bring this business back there.
Okay,
That's what we are looking
but
forward.
bringing it back, will it move like here?
More than that, these people will come down by. Clothing is like magnets.
Okay,
It's like honey.
we
We
must use.
travel all over the world. I went to Australia. I went anywhere in the world to look for this. Sometimes I go inside bush. So what of Nigeria? We have a airport. We have plane. We have everything.
So
If
coming.
if we bring it back home, it will help us.
Yes.
Nigeria is Togo is a 8 million something population. Nigeria is 200 and something. Actually, we don't know our population.
Yeah. So a little bit help from government. You see that this, like you guys will do extraordinary things
Yeah,
because this one you are doing it by yourself.
we are doing everything by ourselves.
It's not easy. It's
We
not
are
easy.
doing everything by
So
ourselves.
this one that you are even in Nigeria, that is why it's even because those that have factories, those that have companies in Nigeria, it's not easy for them based on electricity,
Yeah,
based on security,
yeah, that
and a
one,
lot of other
like
factors.
that one, will give the government credit. We have electricity here. We have what do you call it? Security.
Yeah,
Before they will take light, it will be very difficult.
yeah, yeah. So you see, at least even if you pay
So,
for the light, it's okay because you're always
like
using it.
we are paying cash power, so we have light all the time. When you don't have light, maybe it will be once in a while. Like if we are work till 12, they will go to break. Like now, they are going to break. They will go and stay 1 hour. They will eat. They will refresh themselves. They will come back
And continue.
and continue.
Wow, I'm happy for what you are doing.
Okay, so my boss, my oga, kpọtara m nụnụ.
Yeah.
Ọ ga-akọ more than me.
Okay.
Like ndị bịara abịa. But I meet Pico. I meet Pico. I meet Chief Ejim, La. I meet some of them.
Okay.
Chika brothers, I meet him back home, but I didn't meet him here. They call it Aidakbu Mahafonso.
Okay.
Due to everybody, he's a big man. Like Chief Kamtes Mohamo. Also, know if you say you get money, show money.
Yeah.
He's a big man. How many people did you bring here? How many did you help? So they get money. Like they will look after their family, look after not this, that. Everybody is one. We don't have divided everywhere. What we have, if maybe your mother is my sister. If you are finishing school, I know it's my duty to take you.
Yes.
Then you go under me. Then it will take many people. They will go under you, so they will learn what you are doing. Like my master, Bokbam, they are here, 1997 January. After some few years, I started my own. When I started my own, he's doing something else. What he's doing is not moving. Then Mpokwe Moga Sevia, you're not me about almost 20 years. Mwete Gossesa. So I and Mama and my brother Emmanuel on our body right here. So we have office. We have so many things. So we'll be doing everything. Loniche. On America, you move.
Yeah.
So the other one, you move. So some of them we are boys are here. So Kotowaru no more deeper.
Yeah. Sir, what you are doing is wonderful, and I need to just give you a handshake because
Thank
if
you.
overall by
Thank you.
giving money cash, you might give somebody, but teaching somebody how to catch fish is the best. And you have done that. It's not easy, and I really, really appreciate you for doing that. Putting mind out on the face of people. People work here, you pay them. You bring people. It's up to what
Every day we pay.
other easy.
I will work over tomorrow.
So this is what they call humanity. You understand? So employ people, you help people, you grow people, you invest in human beings, and that's what they are doing, creating wonders here. So this is amazing. Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome.
So what
Welcome.
about if what about you have to people that wants to be like you, like like this, someone will watch this video and say, this man is a millionaire, I want to be like him. But you don't know what you passed through, sacrifices you paid. What can you tell people like that?
Actually, this world is patient. Anything you are doing is patient. If you don't have patience in the world, you cannot achieve anything. Anything you are doing is patient. Even when you are doing that is not moving, have patience. The problem we have, we don't have patience. Maybe you're doing this. You say, no, it's not moving. This person is doing fast line. This person is doing this. If you go there, you started new person. But if you have patience doing it, one day God will remember you. It's not that you know too well or you are too educated. It's just God favor. When you knock on your way, you will definitely make it. But when you do this, when God will come, He didn't see you there. What can God do?
You shouldn't blame anybody.
Yeah. So this word is patient, patient. Whatever thing you are doing, if you know you are on the right path, keep doing it. Even family. Sometimes when you marry new, maybe issue one and the other, but gradually, patient, gradually, everybody will know each other. So I believe people will do well more than me, especially the boys I bring here. They will do well more than me. You just be patient in anything you are doing. Sometimes I travel to overseas. What I wanted to do, I didn't see it. I will come back empty-handed. Sometimes they dupe me. They have duped me over 300 million last 2 years. So we went to we went to court. We didn't get anything. So people thought it's all over, but God showed mercy. So just be on the right track. You know God, money, and the night. And if they are working this, you go close to them. You make them your friend. Then when you in their face, oh, keep, they will just do it. So God will bless everybody. They will be bigger than me. Those that are coming up, God will help them. They will come up. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
So, hello guys, we are in the heart of Togo. So where we are right now is the Assiyeye market.
Yes.
So this is one of the biggest markets in this town. And one thing about this market is that it's highly populated by our Nigerian brothers, especially Igbos. Okay, 98% of people here is Igbos, dealing on used stuff. What I mean by used stuff? Clothing. That is Okrika. Okay. Shoes. Used shoes. Used what again?
Anything used clothes.
Anything used at all. This is where they sell it, and it's mainly from our people. So let's go inside. I just see one or two. You have to go. So let's go. And the market is big, very massive.
It's a very big market.
Very big market. Take it easy. This our brother will take us around. Okay, tell them what's your name.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Samuel.
Okay.
And I live in Togo. Lome Togo.
Okay.
And here you are seeing.
Okay.
Here is a general way. It's called a general way market, Assiyeye. So as you are going, you meet many Nigerians.
Okay.
They are selling used clothes,
Used stuff.
men, women, used shoes, used clothing.
Okay. This is market. So is it the gate or what do we call this?
This is the building.
Okay, the building.
The main market. Inside
Okay,
the market.
okay, it's facing the other way.
Yes.
Okay. Wow. This market you are seeing like this, the government of Togo doesn't joke with our people. Because
Yes,
looking
yes,
at
yes, actually.
uh-huh.
The government of Togo, they value us
Yes.
because we are the ones doing business. We are the ones that brought used clothing into their country.
Uh-huh. And another one contributing to the economy.
Yes, we are contributing to it. We are
Because if you are
developing the city.
Because if you are to calculate the amount the Nigerians here give to the tax they pay, all the things they like, the amount that goes into the government pocket on yearly basis, no be small money.
That is small money.
So they don't joke with them.
As you are seeing this market, every Monday and Thursday is the market day.
Every Monday and Thursday.
Every Monday and Thursday is the market day.
So it's not everyday market.
It's not every day, but every day is the market.
Okay.
But on Monday and Thursday is the main market day. And you can see the population everywhere is crowded.
Today is Monday, right?
Today is Monday.
Okay.
So as you are going, you will see.
Okay. This is massive, man. So if you want to buy anything used stuff, this is where you will come and get it. This is where you will come and get it. So let's enter inside and see what is there. Wow. So, like I'm saying, this is Togo.
Lome Togo.
Yeah. So, Kaijiri Igbo no Ekwu. Nah, I hear the big man. Okay. This is massive.
Good afternoon.
This is Okay, but I feel remember the used clothing. Oh, see. Okay, okay.
About now, if I have used about now, we should cover that. But now we don't shoot.
Okay, that's up, right?
Dale. You know, can have use clothes in nature.
Yeah. So this is where they sell retail, so what?
Yes.
Okay. Are we going front or
I got these places.
I better push more. This is where they sell used clothes. Used clothing. So, what I call the guy.
As you are going, you will see.
Okay. So everybody here is our people. Everybody
here is Nigerians. Igbo.
Okay.
Abreba, Alai, Ibere,
Mostly Abia State, okay?
Abia States.
So that is like 50%
More
or
than
80%.
More than 50%.
Like 80%.
Yes.
So 80% from Abia State here. Wow. God really bless you guys with this business. Nobody can do it better than you guys. Wow. This is everywhere here. Useful. Everywhere. Yeah, look at the other side. Look at the other side.
This is the main inside market.
Wow. This is massive.
Let's go.
So oh, so ihe kita now bụ ime ahịa ọkwa, and ime ahịa niile na-ahụkọta now bụ ndị Igbo ihe juru ya. So this is just like Igbo market. Why that we are not in Igbo land?
Yes.
We just meet one of our brother in this Assiyeye market.
Assiyeye.
You want to go? Who is doing well, and this our brother here will tell us more. Who is an Igbo guy? You forget say they see face like this. From Abreba. So what is your name?
My name is Stanley Obuakal.
Okay.
I'm from Abreba, Abia State.
Okay.
Yeah.
We enter this market. This market be like Igbo market. It be like
Igbo people full everywhere.
Like
I didn't just turn camera show you say
everywhere.
on Igbo. So now here where Igbo people base the hustle.
So one of onye outside
Outside and Okoya, but mostly Igbo people full this market.
Imagine.
Me, they bought me for this Togo self.
They born you for this Togo? So you speak of the language?
No, not be all of them.
So this business, how will they go in this market?
Since hard though, but on God, now small okay water. What it is you know get where it is you, even for China or Igbo.
Yeah.
Since I hard though, but we keep pushing, bro. And small.
But when you come to this market,
Okay.
what it's only Igbo. Imana say na mostly Ndabreba, ndị Abia State, ndị ka no eba.
Eziokwu Chineke. Ndị Abreba juru Assiyeye ahụ. Well.
Aside Ndabreba, Abia State.
Oh, Chineke me. Other states they did this Abreba. They did this market. Afalewe. Others, even Enugu, Anambra, but mostly Abreba, even shoe line.
Yeah.
They have shoe line where they sell bags.
Yeah.
Abreba people plenty everywhere.
Wow.
For this market.
This is amazing. So we are in Assiyeye market, and we just feel like we are in Igbo land. Just when you go to Igbo market, on the main market.
So everybody got a who Igbo.
Yeah.
Brother, but also.
So this one, like we don't take over, man. We don't take over.
Sure.
So
Main market on
Okay.
now the vibe at the gate here. You just feel like I dey inside main market.
Okay, now when you go, anyway, son.
Wow, this is amazing. We are hustlers. You want to go? We know they carry last.
This you.
You want to go? Ndi Igbo dey move from ebo na ha no. And I'm really proud of them. So that's why we go promoting our people. Because you
Okay.
guys are doing amazing work here.
No,
You want to go? You are doing well.
I really appreciate it.
You guys they do well.
No, boy,